So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get free Monopoly Go free dices in Monopoly. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit and like, subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So first off, if you're playing Monopoly Go, you're supposed to be familiar with this game and you know the basics. So to get free dices, here's some steps you can do so you can get free dices. As you can see here that I have 65 out of 30 dices that I am available with. So to get free dices, you can actually just head on to friends, and you can see here that you can add friends, and family. You can invite them via contact or Facebook or invite. So as you can see here, you just go to contacts and you get free 30 dices for just inviting them through your contacts. Once you have pressed that, just select the contact you want to invite, and there you have free 30 dices. And that's just how simple it is to get free dices in Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.